Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm gonna review these two salts. It's like a pairing with some mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are one of my favorite types of foods. So the idea of adding some kind of seasoning to them that goes really well on them has me very interested. So I've already reviewed these from Smoking Goat Farms. This is the garlic pepper salt, and this is the rosemary salt. So thought I'd cook up some of these potatoes here and try some of these seasonings on it. What I usually do is I'll usually put regular black pepper and some little salt. Even if I have gravy going on them, still do that. Get this spread out here a little bit. Let's see if I can move this down. There we go. Spreading these things out, they need to cool down just a little bit too, or just come out of the microwave. All right. One of these halves can be for one of the seasonings and salts, and the other half can be for the other one. There we go. Okay, so first we'll do the rosemary. Wrong side. So this has a fruit wood cured smoked rosemary salt. All these had that smoked part to them, and it really is a nice additive to these. Smoked rosemary salt. I try to remember to stir it up, just to shake it up just a little bit. Make sure I get a variety of what's all's in there. Trying to be careful because last time I used, I think it was this one. Salt makes me cough, so I had a little bit too much. I was coughing all the way through the video. Just couldn't stop. It triggers, salt has always triggered a cough in me, so. All right, this is the garlic pepper salt. I do like garlic. Fruitwood cured smoked garlic pepper salt. And we'll add it to this side over here. All right. So there we got it on there. You see it? I'll get my. Oh, that's better. All right, so I'm gonna kind of mix it in, so it'll kind of be not like a mouthful of saltiness. This way, it may not make me cough as much. But so mixed in that one, and then this one over here is the rosemary. Mix it into that one. Okay, let's do the rosemary one first. Oh man. That really goes good on mashed potatoes. Wow. Here we go. Man, that is really good. Okay. Let's try the garlic pepper salt. Oh yeah. That's really good. That's really good too. The smoky part of it is a really great additive to this. Wow, that's good. That is really good. This would be good to use on so many different foods. Burgers, mashed potatoes, cottage cheese, chicken, hot dogs, why not? Salads, apples, maybe some other different kinds of fruits. Crap, sorry. Let's see. So the smoked rosemary, which is right here, is kosher salt, fruitwood smoke, and rosemary. And then it says the description, if you're looking for a great salt for cooking, making a roux, R-O-U-X, excuse me, or gravy, or finishing smoking goat rosemary salt is perfect. All the rich aroma and taste of our fruity smoked peppers, but with no heat, featuring a robust rosemary flavor. We have always been careful to share a flavor that balanced heat with smoky, but sometimes you need a little extra salty kick. So that's that one. And then the garlic salt one, let's see, is it? Yeah. The garlic pepper salt. Ingredients is kosher salt, garlic, pepper, and fruitwood smoke. And what it says about this one, if you're looking for our latest great salt product, you found it. Use smoking goat garlic pepper salt in all your favorite recipes to season meat, fish, and poultry. The possibilities are endless. All the rich aroma and taste of our smoked salt with the added kick of garlic and pepper. So there you go. So contact them. Go to their website, look at their selections of seasonings they have there, and order you some while you're there. Man. That is really good. That rosemary is really good. Very good. Garlic. All right. Man, I'm hot too in here. My office is always hot, even if it's like below 0 outside. It'll still be hot in my office. It's pretty sad. All right. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks to the folks at Smoking Goat Farms for sending me these. I appreciate that as well. and we will see you all on the next one. Bye.